back to Velocity Addiction. Just figured I'd give you guys an update. Shout out to Kingston RC. He's been commenting left and right. But got Warpaint still on the bench. Still got bricks on her back. Should be able to put her back together probably Sunday or Monday. Everything's been epoxy back. She probably doesn't need the bricks anymore. But that's where she sits right now. Be ready to put her back together in a couple days. I got some things going on here, and I'm not going to be able to run it or work on it. So that's where Warpaint sits. And today I picked up another one. This is TOBSD hull. I'm not sure how you say it. You can get them at tobsd.com. Picked this up from a friend of mine. It's got Turnigy XK motors inside. I believe they were 3674 2000 kilovolt. We got the Spectrum receiver, which is awesome because I'll hook right up to my DX6R. And now I'm going to go through and redo all the water lines and test some things out. This supposedly will run on 6S. I got to change my plugs from the 8mm bananas to the OSE anti-sparks. From what I've seen, this boat ran 69 miles an hour. And still have more to go, they said. But I picked it up. I'm not a huge fan of the hull. I mean, it's nice looking, but I'm a fan of the Mystic hulls. But it's close. And this is all stickers. My plan is to kind of use this as a test hull. I'm going to be painting it, sanding it down and painting it, doing some airbrushing on it, just because I don't want to do it on a $700 hull. And I do have another one up here. It's my 45 inch. We can do some test painting on that as well. And I dug the hatch out of the attic for it. But this is gonna be torn down and redone. I might repower it. Not sure if I'm gonna use TP motors in it or not. But most likely I'm gonna run it with what it's got and see how it goes, and I may repower it after that. But 69 miles an hour in this little boat is more than fast enough. This is, I believe, 35 inches. I think the website says. I haven't actually measured it yet. Let me give you a look at the stingers. It's got some nice hardware on it. I mean, it's not expensive or super rare hardware, but it gets the job done. I'd like to maybe get some through-hole pickups, one on each side, if I can squeeze them in there and get rid of the water pickup rudder. I hate seeing hoses outside the boat. The previous owner, actually not the previous owner, the guy before him, put another pickup on the outside. And he was the one that actually ran it 69 miles an hour. The guy I bought it from, a friend, he never ran it. He traded an RC car for it and never ran the boat. However, he is a boat freak like the rest of us. He has several boats, including a 7-foot long Mystic Cat. But he wanted to build up some money and build another boat. So, and he was getting rid of this. Figured this is a cool little boat to paint with, do some design work on, and let the kids rip around with it. So that's it for now. You can see I've been doing a lot of housework around here and cutting a lot of wood. There's piles of sawdust all over the garage. Got to go through and clean it all up. The boat did come with props and an extra set of shafts. It also came with a DX2E Spectrum transmitter, which I probably am not going to use. It's the same one that comes with the Zelos. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share me. Let other people know that the channel's out there. We're going to be doing a lot of boat stuff. So if you have friends that run RC boats, share it out. We have some major projects coming up as well that are boat related, but not necessarily a boat. So I'm working on that. I'll let you know when that becomes a reality. So thanks for watching. Till next time.